Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. When adjusting your mirrors to carry a passenger, the passenger should A. Stand behind the motorcycle. B. Sit on the seat with you. C. Adjust the mirror while you sit on the motorcycle. D. Stand beside the motorcycle in the blind spot. The correct answer is B. Question 2. At intersections, the most common cause of crashes involving a motorcycle and a passenger vehicle is A. Drivers failing to properly yield the right-of-way to riders. B. Riders not seeing drivers enter from side streets. C. Drivers tailgating riders. D. Riders not yielding to oncoming traffic. The correct answer is A. Question 3. When approaching multiple hazards at one time, you should A. Panic. B. Deal with the hazards simultaneously. C. Turn around and find another path to your destination. D. Identify and separate the hazards. The correct answer is D. Question 4. This sign means A. Slippery when wet. B. Tow away zone. C. Steep downgrade. D. Roadwork ahead. The correct answer is A. Question 5. If a tire goes flat while you are riding and you must stop, it is usually best to A. Relax on the handle grips. B. Shift your weight toward the good tire. C. Brake on the good tire and steer to the side of the road. D. Use both brakes and stop quickly. The correct answer is C. Question 6. When passing another driver, you should A. Move out of their blind spot as quickly as possible. B. Linger in their blind spot. C. Decelerate in the passing lane. D. Not worry about your own blind spot. The correct answer is A. Question 7. A primary cause of single-vehicle motorcycle collisions is A. Motorcyclists' tendency to ride too fast for weather conditions. B. Motorcyclists turning too wide in a curve or turn. C. Motorcyclists falling asleep while riding. D. Motorcyclists running off the road while trying to avoid a collision with another vehicle. The correct answer is B. Question 8. All of the following will lessen your chances of being involved in an accident, except A. Remaining alert. B. Identifying hazards and prioritizing risks. C. Riding without a headlight. D. Maintaining a space cushion. The correct answer is C. Question 9. If your front tire goes flat while you are riding, A. Apply the front brake. B. You will not be able to control the motorcycle. C. Apply the rear brake and steer to the edge of the road. D. steer to the right and apply both brakes. The correct answer is C. Question 10. Before changing lanes to the left, A. Check your left mirror, then look to the left. B. Check your right mirror, then your left mirror. C. Check your left mirror, then your right mirror. D. Use your horn, then speed up. The correct answer is A. Question 11. Before every ride, you should A. Modify the exhaust system. B. Clean and adjust your mirrors. C. Clean your wheels. D. Fill the gas tank. The correct answer is B. Question 12. When slowing down or stopping, you must A. Shift down through the gears. B. Shift up through the gears. C. Shift into neutral. D. Never change gears. The correct answer is A. Question 13. On a paved, two-lane road, sand and gravel are most likely to collect. A. In the left wheel track. B. Near the center of the road. C. Near the sides of the road. D. In the center of each lane. The correct answer is C. Question 14. Long-term exposure to wind noise. A. Is recommended. B. Can cause hearing loss. C. Is not harmful. D. Is less damaging than listening to music. The correct answer is B. Question 15. To be seen at night, it is best to wear A. Light clothing. B. A white helmet. C. Reflective clothing. D. A red jacket. The correct answer is C. Question 16. Make a special point of using your mirrors. A. On long trips. B. When riding through an intersection. C. When following a vehicle. D. Before slowing or stopping. The correct answer is D. Question 17. An approaching car is signaling a left turn at an upcoming intersection and you have the right of way. You should A. Expect the driver to wait for you to pass before making their turn. B. Not expect the driver to yield the right of way. C. Increase your speed as you enter the intersection and move toward the vehicle. D. Increase your speed as you enter the intersection and stay in the center of the lane. The correct answer is B. Question 18. Smoothly downshifting on motorcycles. A. Is a useless action. B. Can allow the rider to engine brake. C. Is illegal. D. Should not be done if other vehicles are around. The correct answer is B. Question 19. It is recommended that you take a curve by beginning on the outside of the curve, moving to the inside of the curve, and exiting on the outside of the curve. An alternate option is to A. Start on the inside of the curve and drift toward the outside. B. Start in the center of the curve and stay there until you exit. C. Weave between all three lane positions while taking a curve. D. Start on the inside of the curve and stay there until you exit. The correct answer is B. Question 20. To ride over metal bridge gratings, you should A. Ride straight across the surface. B. Zigzag across the surface. C. Cross the surface at a sharp angle without changing lanes. D. Speed up. The correct answer is A.